Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 51 from 1.1 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So we're asked to find the equation of the line which joins these 2 points. So we already told that it's a line, and we know that this is the general equation of a line. So we can find the gradient m as well as c because we have 2 points. And to find the gradient, you can start with this point and have it subtract this one. So it's y2 minus y1 divided by x2 divided by x1. Just have to start with the same one on each side, on the left hand side. So on the left hand side, if you start with 7 at the top and it subtracts this, we also have to start with its x value, which is 5, and it will subtract 1 from the other points that we're given. So this is now 10 divided by 4, which is 5 over 2. So our gradient is 5 over 2. This is a positive gradient for positive line, which increases. And we can now substitute this gradient into the equation. And to find c, which is the only missing piece of the equation, we can use any of the 2 points. So let's just use 1 minus 3. You can also use 5, 7. That is valid. So you're just going to substitute minus 3 in place of y, and you're going to substitute 1 in place of x. So we now have c equals minus 3 minus 5 over 2. And this should give you a c of negative 11 over 2. So now your function is y equals 5 over 2 x minus 11 over 2.